Right, morning, afternoon, evening, depending on when you're watching it or where you are. Anyway, figured it was time I got out some of these videos of how to actually create stuff. I've been meaning to do them for a while, not had time. Figured today was the perfect time. So, we got a choice. I think we're going to do a cutout first. So, I'm going to show you. So, again, we're going to need my shop. You can find this by going through Classic, click the shop. Should turn all the AP stuff off because it's a video. Anyway, just search my name in anything and then click, it'll come up here. Click this I and click more information and it will open my shop for you. Then all you need to do is just click my name here and we're just going to type in the word cutout. Now as you can see I've already done some, but you're going to want this one that's display only. Click the I. And again, if you want to ignore that it says Victor, it is my old name. I'm going through changing everything, so it will get changed. Then you're going to want to go right down to the bottom. If you're wanting to create in Classic, you're going to have to click Derive from Product. If you want to create in Studio, I will show you how to do that in just a second. So let's get this one opened up in Classic. So there we go, it's now open. As we can see, one texture. And again, yeah, another name change. Vicky G1 was my old name. We'll ignore that. Anyway, close down the shop tab and then I'm going to go and open Studio up just so we can use it. So, once you have Studio open, what you're going to want is this little code here. You're just going to copy. I'm going to try copy and paste, whether it's going to work. You're going to want to click Derive. And once you're up here in Derive, click Product ID. So let me copy it, is it? Oh, it did. Okay. Click Search with the code from the bottom that we just took. And then you're just going to click Derive. But this is just a temporary situation. You're not Armand's boss. This will then give you the cutout in here, ready to derive from. So we're going to do both at once, but you're going to need to find your image. This can be any image you like to put on there. I've got one I made earlier. So then I'm going to hop on over to my free image editor, which the link is in, links and stuff that you may need for creating. If you don't want to use this, use whatever you wish to use. These are my cover shots that I was working on earlier. And I'm going to use this image right here. Just click on it. And then I'm going to want to resize it. Now, I was quite handy with this in the sense of where it is in here. If you go over here, you've got the dimensions. Should have made them not square, but it still works. So I'm going to go with the rectangular shape of changing it to a width of 256 and a height of 251. But as you can see, my image has a black box at the bottom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click crop instead, and I'm going to use this red box to just pick out the parts I want and the parts I don't want. And then I could do a little bit extra at the bottom there. And then I'm just going to apply and then go to resize. Now as you notice, my aspect ratio is turned off. This stops the two boxes changing at once. Click apply. I think that looks better than it did. So yeah, save image as. Then you're just going to want to save it. I'm going to save it over that. Don't want it to save as PNG. We'll leave it. Okay, so I'm going to save it over that. Yes, save. Right. Now comes the fun part. Now we're going to put this texture on here. Two-sided is clicked already in here. You're just going to load it into there and then just click apply changes. And as you can see, one cutout. And it's as simple as then. Just saving it and filling out your little box to put it live. So again, in Studio, you will do the same. You're just going to click here, click add image. This one opens up lighting. Okay. Anyway, click the image you want. Let it load in. Click preview. And any minute now, there you go. It appears as a cutout. So, yeah, it's that simple to make a cutout. And again, it's just as simple as, I'm trying to skip steps back. Click info, fill in all your little details. Always remember to put a little bit of profit, otherwise you're not going to make if anyone buys it. And yeah, save and submit, and off you go. And it is that simple to create a cutout. If there's anything you want to see me do a tutorial on how to do, I'm going to do some random ones throughout. Who knows, we may ever make it to mission. We'll see. Hopefully you have a good day and happy creating.